Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, just finished up my Tomahawk. Got the handle on there real good. Pretty nice looking handle. I had used this special wax on the thing before I added the linseed oil. So instead of using linseed oil, I just sort of scorched it. Looks pretty good though, don't it? It's a pretty nice axe, or tomahawk. The difference between tomahawk and an axe is pretty much just the weight. Now this is kind of an oversized tomahawk, so it's about as heavy as a small hatchet. This is about 1.5 pounds, 1.75 pounds, something like that. And it cuts real good too. The reason I like a tomahawk better than I do an axe is just because of the handle. That's the only reason. You know, with the axe, you got the weight for it. You can cut a whole lot more, a whole lot quicker. But with the tomahawk, if you break that damn handle, you can just cut you a limb out of a tree and shove back in it. That's all you got to do, and you're back to work. But with an axe, if you break that handle, and it's going to take you all day just to get the wood out of the head of the axe, and probably another half a day to carve you out a handle for it. That's the only reason that I would prefer a tomahawk over an axe. And I would have never even thought about it if it didn't happen to me once before. I was at the river. The only thing that I had to cut with is an axe, and no matter how careful you are, no matter how much you think you know, shit happens. I was cutting a piece of wood. I just grazed it with the axe. I wasn't even swinging it hard. I just grazed it with the axe, and it come down and hit the handle and snapped it. Snapped it just as pretty as you please. And I didn't have anything else to cut wood with besides my knife. Just luckily I had a small sledgehammer in the car, so I used the axe head as a wedge. And you don't want to do that either. After you use an axe head as a wedge, don't ever use it again, because it could have cracks and stuff in there that would, you know, that'd get you hurt. Anyway, let's give it a shot, see how it does. Here's one more thing I need to tell you about a tomahawk. With a tomahawk, like I said, it does not have the weight of an axe. So you don't want to cut stuff that's too big. About yay big around, 3 inches or so. That's the perfect size wood to cut. That's perfect size for if you're camping anyway. If you're out trying to survive, you don't want to work yourself to death cutting up big chunks of wood. Even though it probably would, and we'll even try it in just a minute. Let's get a bigger piece. Alright, here's a bigger piece. This is something you don't want to be cutting with a tomahawk. But we're going to do it anyway just for the hell of it. If this were an axe, the axe has the weight, enough weight to go through that a whole lot easier than this thing would. So it's going to take a little bit longer with the tomahawk. But you can do it. if you have to. Oh yeah. Tomahawking. Yep, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm getting the hell out of here. I planned on doing other things today, but it's just been raining like crazy. So, I haven't. But I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy, and I'll see you later.